So a lot of y'all have seen me on Facebook and everything else, noticing that I post videos or my own ideas concerning Forex markets, crypto markets, or, well, yeah, stocks. So right now I'm just kind of gonna go in depth on Amazon. But I'm gonna let you guys know immediately that I'm not a financial advisor at all. This is strictly educational. It's not advice or anything. This is, yeah, education. And I'm just sharing my ideas. But what do I think of the direction as far as Amazon? To me, I would like to say it will keep going up, but there are talks. There are a lot of talks about like recession. There's new presidency next year. So at some point, even now, like it's the middle of the summer right now. I could see stocks like losing about not half their value yet, but overall, I could see them losing half the value personally. That's just my view on it. So kind of take it how you want to. But from analyzing it, we'll see where we're going. So monthly down, it's definitely really close to its previous high. So we're gonna put a trend line here just to kind of get a picture of what it's doing. So it's looking like, see how close that is. We put it wick to wick. We'll try to. It hit there, but as soon as it hit that mark, which was last week, and it kind of held on for a little bit this week, it's Tuesday today, now it seems like it's rejecting. And that's a couple days right now, because this is the weekly chart. So now that we go to daily, it hasn't done much. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. So we got there, and it's just kind of stalling for a couple of days at the same point. But now to me, it's kind of looking like it's going down further. And there are a lot of gaps here within the market, so there's potential for it to actually fill those gaps. So seeing the direction, I would think that it would like to do something like this. And we know the market's obviously not going to just keep going down. It's got to go up and down, up and down, up and down. So this is why I'm doing it somewhat like that. But I'm also trying to follow its trend to see what it's doing. And it hasn't like hit that line yet or anything, but yeah, this could be an okay buy point, but I also see that there's a gap right there for it to fill again. So maybe like during the summer, it's still going to it's going to take a lot of time for it to actually happen, considering it's slow. Stocks are very, very slow. So we don't know when this may happen yet exactly, unless I did a deeper analysis, which I'm not going to go 20 minutes on a video just trying to analyze days of when it's going to actually hit that. But like I said, there's talks of recession and everything else. So with that in mind, and eventually presidential elections are coming, there's going to be room for market volatility. So when it becomes volatile, maybe that could be room for, well, if the president says something, there could be room for a big move, and recession hitting, a bigger move, and then when a president gets elected or something, it could come down here just to rise again. Because we know Amazon is making a ton of money. It is making a ton of cash. There is no real reason for the market to really drop. But the market has to correct at some point. And for it having to correct, it's going to do that. And then it's going to break to a new high. Because as a company on its own, Amazon makes millions of money. It makes a ton of cash, man. So, looking at it, I'm just going to say I'm making a different pattern that you probably don't know about inverted head and shoulders or anything. We just wait for something to form, or you can purchase whenever you feel comfortable if you feel Amazon is something that you want to actually look more into. But personally, myself, I don't believe that Amazon will be the only stock to actually drop like this. A lot of stocks will actually have some form of correction. So it's just really looking at what it's doing, paying attention to how much money is coming in, what the company itself is doing to expand, and everything else. So just pay attention to the company, but you already know it's making money. And it's going to continue to grow. So it's safe. So there's no need to really pull out any investments, but you overall have to decide when you want to make the decision to buy this particular stock. Unless you went to some sort of financial advisor or something, but that's totally up to you. But anyways, what are your ideas as far as Amazon is concerned? Feel free to post in the comment below. If you have any more not trades, but stocks. Actually, no, stocks, cryptocurrencies, whatever. If you have anything that you want me to look at, just feel free to post in the comments below. If you feel this video has been helpful, feel free to give it a like and share. And subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of stuff.